The problem is that after registration, our money is deducted from our bank account, but ICSI sends us no confirmation mail, no confirmation of the payment that we have just made. Okay, for the form fill up of whatever examination it may be, June or December. Okay. Now this video can be seen throughout the entire year. I'll make this video in a format where any student, even after 2-3 years also, you can watch this video and understand what are the steps that is required for you to do at this moment. Okay. See, what is the situation? The situation is you might have been doing your registration at the last day of registration, which is the last day of registration for a form fill up without the late fees. Now on that day, basically the website has a lot of problem and does a lot of errors actually. Okay. So I would suggest every student, please, this is the first suggestion, please make sure that you do not wait for the last day of registration. Make sure that your registration is done at least a week before or 3 to 2 days before your last date of registration. Make that sure. Okay. Then you will find no problem. If you are still finding problem, now some of the students may be having a problem that they are trying to make a payment but the payment is not successful. In that case, try to change your browser and see. Try to change your browser and see. If you are using Google Chrome, try to use any other Mozilla Firefox or any other browser out there. Okay? Safari, any other browser out there, and try to see that the registration is possible or not. Okay? This is the first thing. Now, one more thing is this. You are in a situation where you have made the payment. You try to make your registration for the upcoming examination. You made the payment is deducted, the money is deducted from your bank account, but it is not reflecting in your screen that the amount is deducted. Okay, message came in your mobile that the amount is deducted, but ICSI is sending you no confirmation mail. So in this case, what you have to do? Can your money be refunded? Can you get the money back? Yes, you will get your money back. Yes, your money will be refunded if you follow the following steps. Number 1, immediately go to the support portal, of the contact us, grievances and feedback. Go there and fill up this form. If you are a guest, then guest. If you are a registered user, registered user. Better to fill it as a registered user because you are already a student. Fill this form and make a complaint that these are the things. In this portion, you should upload your the proof that you have made the payment to ICSI. Any transaction ID, any transaction screenshots, whatever, you can upload it here. And then send it to ICSI. After some time, maybe 24 hours or 48 hours, after some time, ICSI will give you a mail, will give you your reply. It should not be a mail. It is not a mail actually. It is the reply in the form of complaint. Now, how do you do it? Exactly after making the complaint, you have to come to the same page, this very page. After that, you have to go to complaint, then track complaint. Okay? You will get a complaint number after your complaint is made. Put that complaint number here and you will get to see what ICSI needs to say. Now in maximum cases, 99.9 cases, what ICSI gives you the answer is this. I'll show you the answer. The answer is this. Okay. This is the answer, actual answer, what ICSI will give you. The answer is, dear student, your payment is still not confirmed. Make a fresh payment or wait till the completion of reconciliation by the bank. In case at a later state, for any reason, it is found that the amount has indeed been received in the institute's account, the excess amount remitted by you will be refunded. मतलब ये है कि अगर आप लोगों ने ICSI, what is ICSI trying to tell you here? If you have made the payment, your amount is deducted from your bank account, but it is not reflected in our account, in ICSI's account, then what you have to do is, do not wait. You make a next fresh payment. You make a next fresh registration. Okay? After making the fresh registration, most probably your registration will be successful. And the excess amount which you have paid earlier while registration, which got deducted from your bank account, if that money gets into our bank account, then it will be completely refunded. Got it? Remitted back to you. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay? First time I was trying to do by form filler for the examination, I paid the amount and it seems that ICSI did not receive the amount. This problem is basically due to website errors or some bank issues. Basically, I understand that it's a website error only, okay? Because a lot of students are having a same problem. Or maybe the bank issue with ICSI, whichever bank the ICSI is attached with, that issue it may be. Take it. Now, The thing is this, that amount you do not have to wait for for the confirmation. You make a fresh payment, you make a fresh registration, you make a fresh payment, fresh registration. Do not wait for the confirmation for the first one. If any amount is excess went to ICSI, it will be refunded to you. This is what ICSI tells you. What suggestion I tell you, listen to me very carefully. Wait for 2 to 3 days, 2, 3 days, 4 days, you wait for it after dropping the complaint. Remember one thing, do not wait without dropping the complaint. Wait for it after dropping the complaint. Most probably what happens, after 2 to 3 days, you will find that the payment is successfully credited to the account of ICSI, and your registration will be successful. This is the thing. Understood, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. You understood the entire procedure. ठीक है. You do not have to make the payment again and again. ठीक है. If in case after 2 to 3 days also you're not receiving any kind of answer from ICSI, then again drop a complaint. ठीक है. So how to avoid all of these problems? To avoid all of this problem, I will suggest you please do your registration a week ahead, at least 2 to 3 days ahead your last date of registration. You file your registration at the last date, and this is the problem that you find. Okay? So this is the thing. Now, student watching after 3-4 years also, you make sure that your registrations are completed at least. No, you made a mistake this time, no problem. At least next time, December attempt, June attempt, whichever attempt it may be, you do your registration at least a week ahead. Okay? So make that sure. So this is the entire solution for it, and the solution is this only: drop a complaint, wait for the reply. And this normally you don't have to be afraid for anything. It will be successfully credited to ICS's account within a period of 2 to 3 days. So don't worry much about it. Okay? If any excess amount, for example, first time you made a payment and it was not successful, so second time you made a payment, it was successful. If any excess amount went to ICSI, it will be remitted back to you. So don't worry about that. ठीक है? समझ में आ चुका है? Solution, got the solution. ठीक है? Now focus in your studies and make sure that you study very well for the examination. Thank you so much everyone. Happy learning guys. Bye bye and take care.